everyone, Andrew from Rolama here. In this video I'm going to explain what Play Live is all about. So this mode is designed to be an in-class live practice session where you can see a live updated leaderboard of all the students' performance in your class on a certain game. So for example, if your lesson was about irregular past tenses, you could start a Play Live, and by pressing start here it brings up the leaderboard, and then as children play that game their scores will automatically come onto this leaderboard. You can tick the box here to automatically refresh every 10 seconds, or you can click the button here to refresh. So this is a way of having a friendly competition within your classroom, and each of the 3 difficulty levels is a separate list. So whichever level the children are working at, they'll be able to see their results in a separate list. We have one extra feature to make it quicker. If children have iPads, you can click the QR code button. It opens this QR code on your whiteboards or your screen, and children can scan the QR code. It will take them directly to that game. They need to be logged into their account first, but when they scan the QR, it will automatically take them to this game, and you can play for as long as you want. After finishing, you can just close the box. You can pick another game if you wish. Very soon we're planning to add a feature where children will get a notification on their dashboard with a button that will take them directly to the game that you've chosen. That's not live yet currently, but hopefully within the early weeks of 2024 we expect that to be ready. So that will work by when you click the start button, the child on their dashboard will get a pop-up button in the top navigation bar, and they can click that to go directly to the correct game. We've laid it out like this, so if you are directing the children to open the game for themselves, the layout is the same as when they log in on their quest page, same order of quests, and so you just need to tell them, so when you start the game, say, oh, okay, we're going to Tenses Quest, the first game, and then they know which game to click, and then you can just click start. That's Play Live. If you have any feedback, please let us know. Hope that was clear enough. Take care, have a great day, bye.